Hello everyone, my name is Engenas Senona. I work for UNICEF South Africa as the education specialist focusing on early learning. So the foundation phase initiative is a collaboration between the Department of Basic Education, UNICEF, the Logo Foundation and other implementation partners including Care for Education and Class Act. What we're basically trying to do with this collaboration is we have a long-standing agreement with the department that will improve learning through play within the foundation phase to enhance the concept of manipulative play through learning through play. So what the program is trying to do is essentially introduce this, the 6 bricks, which is the Lego bricks, within the classroom. But the focus is not the bricks, but the introduction of manipulatives within the classrooms to ensure that we enhance the whole aspect of learning through play in the foundation phase. As you would know, children learn better when they play, and that's the whole point we're trying to do. It is CAPS aligned, so we're trying to ensure that instead of having children sitting down and doing your traditional learning, we try to introduce some concept. When you're introducing, it could be lessons planned, it could be mathematics, that they grasp the concept very easily by saying, here's a 6 bricks, if you take 2 away, what do you have? And the children will say 4. It's much easier to grab that concept with the manipulatives in hand than trying to say, what is 6 minus 4? And that's why we're trying to do this whole aspect of it. And during that process, we're making it fun for the kids, as it is naturally inclined for them to play. And what we're trying to say to the teachers is, children are inclined to play, but make it more in a structured, fun way that they can be able to grab this concept. So we're here in KZN today, training the subject advisors on how to deliver this methodology, who will then transfer it to the teachers, who will then transfer it to the to the students. We're targeting all the foundation phase teachers in the province. It will be rolled out within the next couple of years, so we'll be starting with a few districts this year and then gradually continuing until we ensure that all the foundation phase teachers have been fully trained on the program. And we'll also be providing the 6 bricks resources to all the children in the provinces as well. So by the end of the program, every child in the classroom in the foundation phase will have their own manipulatives, which is the 6 bricks, and they would use that as a resource to play within the classrooms. Nationally, it has been rolled out, and also nationally, so we're currently operating in 6 of the provinces. Free State was the first province to be completed, Gauteng the second one, and we're currently ensuring that the rest of the provinces are having the same program as well. And with that, all we're basically saying to say, play, let the children play, and that's what we're trying to do with this concept. So it's not only to the teachers, but we wish to extend it to the parents as well. At the home, in the natural setup, teach your kids, but also the whole message around this program is let children learn through play.